Hi and welcome. I'm going to give you a quick tour now of the Wirecard ePOS app and show you how simple it is to use, but at the same time how powerful it is. And really what I want to show is for retailers, if you run a shop or a store or a restaurant, you can run all of your card and cash transactions through this simple little app. And all you need to do is connect to a terminal like this one, and you can take Visa, Mastercard, credit card payments. And for our Chinese customers, we also support WeChat Pay and Alipay. So basically, at your retail location, your staff can have a mobile device like this with the app and handle all of the payments that are made without any problems at all. It's really easy to use. Let's dive right in now and take a look at a typical day in the life of a flower shop to illustrate the power of the app. So like any retail location, you want to start with cash management and open up your shift. So you click open shift. You want to enter how much is in the cash drawer to begin the day, and then your shift is open. Once the shift is open, you can start taking payments, and really that's what it's all about. So let's jump over to take payments. There's 3 different ways you can take payments. You can use the catalog, you can use the numeric keypad if you've got a custom transaction, or you can even use the barcode scanner with the camera that's built in. But let's use the catalog for now. So it's a flower shop, we've got all our flowers here. Let's say the customer comes in and they like the tulips. They want to buy 3 pink tulips. That's $150 each for a total of $450. We do a charge. Now all you have to do is say card payment. That initializes the terminal card reader. You can see right here, swipe the customer's card and you put through your transaction. So we can jump back and say that the customer gives us €5. Say okay. That payment has been accepted. It automatically generates a receipt, which you can either print for the customer or email to them. So that's the basics of the app. Let me jump back out here. Let's click on sales, and I can show you that all of your transactions are tracked through the course of the day. We just sold 3 pink tulips. All the information is here, including even a map of what location it was sold from. You can do a new receipt if you want to, if the customer asks for one, and you can even do a refund from here. In statistics, we track all transactions, so you can see we've got over 7,000 transactions. You can look at that yearly or quarterly or however you like. That's the total number of sales. This is actually the dollar or euro volume by quarter or by month or by year. Now let's just quickly look in settings to show you a little bit more of the power of the app. A lot of businesses require a service charge, so you can turn that on. You can set tax to be included or excluded. And for a lot of restaurants and bars, obviously you need to collect tips. You want to collect tips, so you can set that on. Once we set that on, we can go back and take another payment. We go into our flowers. We want to get some roses. Let's get some nice red roses, a whole bunch of those. For our favorite customer, it's $10.50. Let's put a discount on that because this is our favorite customer, and that takes the price down to $8.40. So all I have to do is charge. Once again, card or cash. I'll just quickly do a cash payment. And now we want to enter a custom tip. So let's say the customer wants to give us a nice €2 tip. And we round that off, proceed to payment. $10.40 is the total, so let's say they give us 12, and we say okay. And the receipt generated automatically. So there you go, that's the essence of the app. It's all about moving products, taking payments, and that's the power of the app, and that's what the app gives you. Okay, so I think that gives you a really good feel for how powerful this app really is. I mean, fundamentally, you can use it to run your entire retail location and accept payments, cash, credit, alternative payment type. So try it out, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.